Choosing between a grass lawn and a paver patio can greatly change the look and function of your outdoor space. Let's take a closer look at the benefits of each option. First, grass lawns create a fresh and natural feel in any yard. The green color adds life to your landscape, making the space look more vibrant and relaxing. Grass is also soft underfoot, which makes it great for kids, pets, and outdoor activities. It can help keep the surrounding area cooler, especially during warm weather. However, maintaining a lawn requires regular care. Grass needs watering, mowing, fertilizing, and sometimes reseeding to keep it healthy and green. Without proper maintenance, it can quickly become dry or patchy. Now let's talk about paver patios. Pavers create a clean, solid surface that's perfect for outdoor seating areas, dining spaces, or entertaining guests. They are extremely durable and can handle heavy foot traffic without getting damaged. Pavers also come in many shapes, colors, and patterns, allowing you to create a stylish and customized patio design that matches your landscape. Another big advantage is maintenance. Unlike grass, pavers don't require watering or mowing. Occasional cleaning and minor upkeep are usually enough to keep them looking great for many years. So which one is best for your yard? Grass lawn or paver patio?